What's up, guys? It's Morgan. I apologize. This is going to be a trade recap rather than a live trade. Screen recorder failed. Long story short, pissed about it. But here's what I want to outline before I get started with this. The reason I start with a small account is to show you that regardless of what your small account is, don't worry about other people making $100, $1,000, $1,000,000 a day. Focus on what you do. We're not here to compare account sizes and put ourselves out there and like, oh, I got a Lambo. I don't care. Okay, look, lots of people put off an image that is not them. Be real with yourself, okay? You don't have to be one of these flashy types, okay? So here's the other thing. This trade was perfect for me, and I'm going to explain how, but it wasn't a perfect trade. So let's look at the chart, and I'll explain kind of what happened. So I was slow coming into the office today to start trading. I come sit down, and again, I trade Snap every day. This is the game changer, guys, for me. Was trading the same stock over and over and over again. The reason is I understand what unusual looks like. I sit down, and on the 15-minute chart, I start drawing support and resistance, and I get to here, and I'm like, holy cow, Snap is like getting unusual volume and price action. So I go the 5-minute, which is what I normally trade, but notice I put a 57. Look where it got on the high for this run, all right? But then I'm like, wait, there's got to be news or something, right? Snap strikes licensing deal with Sony Music. Good enough. I go long. I'm in it for 3 minutes, and I make 26%. 3 minutes and 10 seconds, guys. Okay. In, out, $66. For some people, this won't be a big deal. For me, this is psychologically awesome. This is the consistency I want every single day. I don't care how small your account is. If you're making $10 a day or whatever, and you can do that consistently, you're going to be a game changer. You'll be fine. It's okay that it takes a number of days or a number of years to get here, guys. I've been trading since 2013. I haven't been confident in day trading till about 2.5 years ago. Okay. And now I go in every day going, I'm going to make money. And most days I do. That's just actual confidence. And you want to know the most confident thing I could ever think that I never thought before? I have a buddy who day trades, and he's really, really good. And you know what he asked me? He said, what's the most confident thing that you've realized in figuring out, how to day trade that fits you rather than copying someone else? And I said, it's the fact I don't have to rely on anyone else. I'm not looking for someone else to tell me what to buy and when to buy. I know what I do. I figured out the secret sauce for me. Okay. Only you can do that for you. And so what I'm saying is you can take pieces of what I'm showing you and what other people are talking about. And that's the secret, guys. Don't go buy these gurus courses. Don't go buy their freaking scanners and shit. You don't need it. You don't need it. You really don't. What you need to do is you need to figure out what works for you. And again, this wasn't a perfect trade. I was in and out well before this topped out. Okay. I get that. A lot of people would look at it and go, well, that wasn't that great of a trade. You only made 26%. You could have made like 50. Yeah, maybe I could have. But guess what? Psychologically, I walked away fine, guys. I walked away happy. Okay. How often do you do that? How many times have you held too long and it comes back down and wipes out most of your profit or even turns into a loss? I had that happen so many times until I started doing this. And now it's pretty much profits every day or small losses when I do lose. Okay? Because I know what my rules are. I know what works for me. That's what you got to figure out for you. That's something that I can't really give you exactly what that is, but I can give you ideas based on what I've figured out for myself. And all I'm saying is like, look, I'm not here to pat myself on the back and rub it in that, hey, I made 26% in 3 minutes and 10 seconds. But that's amazing. That's great. That's what I want. I don't want to sit here for 9 hours and trade. If I can sit here for under 5 minutes and make money. See a smile? This is a genuine smile, guys. So all I'm saying is like, look, just read between the lines. Look at some of the things I'm doing and figure out what works for you. And if you have questions on things, comment down below. Let me know what you need, and I'm happy to help you. I appreciate you guys so, so much. I love having conversations with y'all. Like you guys are dope. It's so much fun doing the YouTube channel. I was super scared. I'll be honest. Like, I love to talk and I love to talk to people I like and know, but I'm not real good with strangers. I'm always like a little bit like hesitant. Like, I don't know these people. They don't care about me. I don't care about them. But one thing I've found with the subscribers, the comments, I love the input that people give me. Because again, I'm an imperfect human. I'm just a regular guy. Okay, I'm not a guru. I'm not trying to sell you that crap. Okay, all right. Just hear me out. I'm trying to help you fill in some of those gaps that I feel like I never had anyone to fill in. So hopefully, my opinions or my information combined with stuff you're hearing elsewhere helps you, and you develop what works for you. So, anyways, thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.